igene ati Munini wa president ni rigathi gachagua ni athingatite uiguano na unyitaniri gatagati ka mabururi ma Kenya na Colombia hari gukuria na kwagirithia thuguri ya kahua. Akiaria ari bururi-ini uyu muthi wa ira gachagua ni agiikitie ritana kuri mabururi ona mangikorwo magikinyia guku bururi-ini na gukorwo makigura kahua na njira ya imwe kwa imwe hatakiri mabrokers. Akoretwo akiumagario ni minista matiganite ta minista wa urimi ni mithika linturi, Akiaria giti wa kamiti ya urimi mbunge-ini ya seneti hamwe na atongoria angi.
Kenya is in the continent of Africa, specifically in a region called East Africa. Kenya is the largest economy in East Africa and a gateway to the East African region. I'm here to talk to producers, to talk to roasters, and interest you in buying Kenyan coffee directly. And what is happening is that despite the fact that we have the best quality of coffee in the world, that high quality does not get the world. The few people who buy Kenya's coffee buys just a little of it. Then they buy other poor qualities from across the world and blend them with the Kenyan coffee. We are inviting roasters from all over the world to come to Kenya and get the highest quality of coffee in the world directly. We have just had a discussion this afternoon with the organizers of this forum, the Producers and Roasters Forum, with the possibility of Kenya hosting and roasters can come and meet face-to-face with the Kenyan farmers, visit their farms, sample the best, and be able to make an informed. That Kenya is also very advanced in terms of financial systems. Kenya is technologically compliant. It is very easy to come and do business in Kenya. Again, it is a very safe country in a region that is unstable, and it is a country of destination